Hey guys, Charles here with Olsa Tools. Today I wanted to talk about our extractor wrenches. So these are lifesavers when you have a bolt that's completely stripped. We offer our sets in SAE and metric, the short version, and then we also have a long version in metric only. Now the short ones have a 45-degree offset, as you can see here. Let me just show you. 45-degree offset. Whereas the long version are straight, there's no offset. So our extractor wrench sets in metric is a 7-piece set with 45-degree offset and sizes. There's 2 sizes on each. So as you can see here, for example, this one is an 18 mil on this side and 19 millimeter on that side. And so the metric set goes from 6 millimeter all the way up to 19 millimeter. Same for the long one, it goes from 6 millimeter to 19 millimeters, but the long ones have 0-degree offset, so they're straight, whereas the other ones, the short version, have a 45-degree offset. The SAE short set is a 6-piece set that ranges from 1/4 inch drive all the way up to 3/4 inch drive, and any of those, there's no skip sizes. And then the long version is only available in metric right now. So the long version, again, same as the short one, goes from 6 millimeters all the way up to 19 millimeters, but has 0-degree offset. So just as a demonstration here, guys, so this is a 17 millimeter bolt. Both of them are the same. This one obviously is normal, and then this one is 85% rounded off. And then just to show you, this is a 17 mil Olsa Tools combination wrench. So obviously, you know, the normal one I can easily unscrew, right? Whereas this one, you know, can't do anything with that, even with the box. Now let me show you. This one is the short version of the 17 mil extractor wrench with the 45-degree offset. And it easily, I can even screw it on if I want to.